In structured cabling, organization is just as important as performance. While category ratings like Cat5e, Cat6, and Cat6a determine your speed and bandwidth, the color choices you make for your cables and Keystone jacks serve an equally important role in your day-to-day sanity. For new professionals entering the industry, understanding how and why to use different colors can save you hours of headache, reduce stupid errors, and create a system that actually scales as the network grows. Typically, in large installations, you're looking at hundreds, maybe thousands of cables terminating into patch panels and equipment racks. Without a clear identification system, troubleshooting is a total nightmare. Because nothing says I hate my life like tracing a white cable through a bundle of 200 other identical white cables while the CEO is breathing down your neck because the Wi-Fi is down. Keep in mind, color coding isn't an actual technical requirement. Your electrons don't care if the jacket is pink or neon green. The performance is identical. Unless you buy the cables with the RGB strips, then you get an extra 10 frames per second off your ping. Just kidding. Please don't do that. Please. But seriously, color gives you three massive advantages: clarity during the initial install, way faster troubleshooting, and a consistent system for your documentation that actually matches your ANSI TIA standards. Now, there's no global law for which color does what, but most IT teams follow a similar set of rules to stay sane. Usually you'll see blue for standard data like workstations, red is almost always reserved for the do not touch stuff, critical backbone links, servers, and firewalls. Yellow is the go-to for VoIP, while green handles security like IP cameras. Orange is your demarc point for ISP handoffs, and black or white usually fills in the gaps for specialized stuff for general patching. But don't just stop at the cables. Keystone jacks come in a rainbow of colors. Most pros match the jack color to the cable jacket to keep the visual consistency from the patch panel all the way to the wall plate. It just makes sense. Blue jack at the desk, blue cable on the wall, blue port in the rack. Mastering color coding is a hallmark of a pro. To make sure your network doesn't turn into a disaster, follow the big three. First, establish a standard and get the client to sign off on the chart before you buy anything. Second, document everything. Put in the diagrams and the labels. And third, be consistent. Once you pick a scheme, do not deviate. Finally, don't go overboard. A handful of colors is plenty. Too many variations just creates more confusion. Trust me, the moment that you decide purple is for the printer on the third floor is the exact moment your supplier runs out of purple and you're stuck waiting 3 weeks for a single patch sleeve. Stick to a plan, keep it clean, and I'll see you in the next one.